vice president. Jane, Professor Jena no Pukwajiman. Ya yinya ne ntie se ne ho mfa no nti anaju da suum na yinya ne ntie se yedne afowi musen around by 1 midnight 1 a.m. horbe bi na omode ne ekoy san yeti.
Welcome to the Political Runs with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. For baby, I say, baby, I want Ghana to say, you know, it's all beyond Bompire. It's all beyond Bompire, son, say, yeah, a vice president, a professor, Nana Jane, Opukwajiman. Yeah, I am a member, Coupe. Nihun Fano. And I say there is too much secrecy around her ailment. Ideally, it's not supposed to be so because if anything is happening to our vice president, she's being paid by the taxpayer. So it is just normal. Say you let us know. Say when say any diagnosis no, and she's receiving treatment. Say US are US, UK are UK, Australia, France are France. We just be clear. Nobody, none of us, even those of us who are not sympathetic towards NDC, none of us is wishing for her death. Debbie. Enough of people dying in office. So in a bumpire say she will recover quickly. But the secrecy around her illness, John Mahama's administration, they should know say some of these death issues, they have a very poor record. And this is a time for them to salvage their reputation. And they have to come and tell us what the issues are with our vice president. Where is she right now? How is she responding to treatment? Even Pope, Catholic for he's almost every 2 days they are giving update about his health, his condition. So why are we not talking about why is the government not giving updates? Where is our vice president? What are you putting to our vice president? And we are hearing about rumors about her death. What is happening? But you know the reason why they are quiet is because of the kind of dirty politics they did when they were in opposition. Seriously dirty politics. When Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia was not feeling well, you didn't call a hospital, and the catcher said, you have to be referred because we are a health feed muno. Specialists be what. Sometimes what me call US cry, not the whole US corner specialists be or any specialty be or they don't have any specialty, they have to transfer to another country. It happens all over. Italy in it happens. But the kind of nonsensical cause sema NDC for D or money or mind we throughout the 8 years MPP were buying mono. And it's not to mean Casano. And into when people mu say ye encourage you fin bia. Ye encourage you fin bia but mu na mu ye enti. Muntimi nkasa.
Now I could say if it must be done, it must be done well. Somewhere to 2018 and then sitting vice president Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na ne ho mfa no. Ne ho mfa no wono se hwe no wa hansa na Dr. Folo hwe no wa hansa eno mo se mfa no ko amanone. Aku chief of staff and this statement in Babontin because omanpanyi asa omanpanyi abedechiri na ho na pomudi asa mo de enye nkwara na eka. Chief of staff ankasa this statement ne beto abontin say yamane ekwane ho dodo no eti oko United Kingdom oguso ye ka be kura wo so de neko no pa mo ko sa statement no wakaza ne ho dodo no ya hwe no akakra Dr. Fo say fa ne kwa manone ye de ko UK enen ko fo so MPP abaim esefo keka ebi udu se kle na yankwasa keka ebi muti baabi kopo chọchọrọ nsem say o mapanya be de chire kwa that time no yara na ha no ni ebi si mal stroke ebi si sei nanyi nipa bone nsem a o mapanya be de chire ho mfa no o man no ne aka no kre edi no kra che say wo kwa amanone aba akohwe no ho yare ya eno ase we see the world speedy recovery ne ko fast atiki kan sem basa na ne me gidi se kwaku wo voice nyina ne videos nyina wo ho any publications akofo eye social media and traditional media. Fast forward my media ba. In fact, so much be Facebook rompo wana me busa say mate asemi se maami ho mfa no ma ye de ne ko. Nanso Ayɛka sabafo Felix kwachi ofusu ukọ ni Facebook wala eni ho eti ebe daji edi e chere nkofo bi e draw my attention say defense minister Dr. Man ye fed say well we fed o mane bo ama Dr. Mane bo ama e Facebook war enna what one so what say statement to ho say ma me no ho dodo no na doctor fo ese ye fa no kwa amanoni ese ye fa no ko no ya nka ba bi kro kwakuzi adobeti bi speculation ebi said diko UK ebi said diko US aban anye categorical si adene call ye anase ya afa na anko before asem ne ba bonten no ye no statement no to enim e committee aka say she has been flown si adene call anase ya fa ne adene be call baba the time asade ba bonten meme da no pa ne adene call eso so no aso musi esi adene be call se dende afa ne nkofo busa say Okudzeto ablakwa ene wo mo akeka ho a Felix kwachi ofosu mu ensemu a mo kafa Dr. Baumia ho se o mo ntia se wayare ni yedere kwa manone UK ekohwe no ablakwa do se yenya mra edru baby John Dramani Mahama as populist as he was and is ye UGMC say aban nipa bia obayari bia no yefa ne kwa ma no ne yefa ne ko UGMC ni enkohwe no na me busa me ho say opposition na ko South Africa on several occasions ekohwe ho yare no na UGMC na ni ho President Mahama sana mikem waku ene hypocrisy na dead no ama kwa ba besunsun NDC for kon and it is strangling them to death. Nobody
You push come and update us. We need to know. We want to know. We demand to know what is the issue for our vice president. She is very dear to us. She is very dear to me. To all of us in the MPP, we are praying for her. We are lifted our hands and we are interceding on her behalf. That's for this one, dear God, spare us, oh, spare us. Not John Mahama again, no, not JM again, no, God, spare us. Bamba ku 3 months, spend some bebre. Then. Now they say Okudzeto wa iva. Or my way mo. Okudzeto say no, or a foreign minister. And before you be send a vice president to another country for treatment, no, Okudzeto has to facilitate it. The same Okudzeto that was in opposition telling you and I say, he wants to bring a law to ban for foreign healthcare for government officials. That same Okudzeto, no, he is the one who was in charge of getting a plane and flying the vice president out. The kind of hypocrisy we have seen in this nation for 8 years now. But anyone's health is important. Me say if the country would even use $1 million to ensure say our vice president survives, let us use it, because I know say you use this as cannot, God forbid, now there the money we will spend on her funeral need to be more. So why wish for her death? Nobody wishes for her death, but NDC for learn sense from this. Nyama bi ohwa nsem bi ohwa yemfa nye politics. Is as simple as ABCD. Yemfa nye politics so tom. Aden. This has been a political rant with me, the voice writer on Ghana and CMTV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye bye, cheers. See you in the next one.